but I just don't know how shall I start. Like, okay, this is somehow hard. talking to you is easier, but cameras. Okay. My name is Elena, and I'm 36. I was born in Tashkent, which is in Uzbekistan, and I became Muslim in age of 25 here in UAE. My family, because it was communist country, so they didn't believe in God. My father completely didn't believe ever. My mother, she was somehow close to God, but became better now, alhamdulillah. But from early age, I was interested, and I was looking, like from age of 17, I started to go to church and start to look for answers, for trying to find a God, or at least something which, like, I cannot explain. Even I was a child, but I couldn't find answers at all. And when I came here, also, I didn't feel anything either, like towards Islam or anything, until I met one person, and then we have like short or long, we can say, even talks and discussion. Like, I was trying to convince him that I was right, and he was trying to convince that he's right, that Islam is right. So till he said, "Okay, don't argue with me. Just get Quran in your language and read it, and then we talk." I just found it, and I started to read, and this is how it started. What caught me in there, in Quran, it was a point when I reached the creation of a baby, from this small dot till how it's structured, the body of the baby, and what comes first, bones and flesh and all this. And because I was very much interested into genetics and things, so when I saw it, and I knew that it was the book was written like nearly 1,005 years ago, so I said, it cannot be anything but truth. And the rest just came as a package, like accepted everything in one time after only this point, because this was enough for me. I didn't have any concerns at all, because I was looking for answers and happiness. And when I felt that this book is giving me answers, and it's giving me satisfaction and happiness, that's all. I didn't think about anything. I didn't think of my parents, friends, whatever, how it will impact them or what will be their reaction. I didn't think of it. I couldn't tell, of course, my parents for at least a year till I got some knowledge. And then also hijab was not easy for me in the beginning, so it took a year for me to adopt this idea and to change the mentality. From my father, I had no problem at all. Like, because he didn't believe in God, he said, "Are you happy with it? Like, you like it?" I said, "Yes, okay, do whatever you want, as far you're not hurting yourself, so do it." But my mother, she had problems, she had issues, because she's a believer, she believes in God, and it took a while. It took a while till she adopted the idea, until she started to respect it and accept it. And now, of course, she's very much proud of me. She's telling everyone that my daughter is Muslim, and like, she's really proud. But it took a while. It's like took nearly 7 years or so for her to become this way. You feel yourself a queen. Actually, you feel like you have rights. You don't need to fight for it. It's there already. It's for you. I was not a person of partying, and even I was not liking drinking or this stuff. Even I was doing it. Now I was even more happy that I have a reason to say no, because it's already, I cannot do this anymore, and I say no, and no one even forced me to do it. It's over. Islam is like protecting me. It's actually protection. I got a lot of protection, and I got a peace inside, because before I was looking here and there, and no one could give me proper answers for many questions. And I found it in Islam. I found it in Quran. I found it in Sunnah, and that's it. Don't be scared. Don't be scared of anything. Go into it with open mind. Don't be attached to your society, your nationality, your family, or anything. Just go in it, read it, feel it, and then you will see that it's very easy. There is nothing to be scared, and you will get all support from the God and from the right people around, and you will feel happy. You will feel happy that you made this final step. Just don't be scared.